He's going to put into my mouth. Yes, yes, yes. Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my blog channel. Well guys, today I have come to Noida Stadium. Actually I came to know that a mega fair has been held in Noida Stadium. I don't know anything about this fair, so let's go towards the main gate in order to amass some information pertaining to this fair. When I get the information, after that I'll get back to you guys. Stay connected. Thank you. Hi guys, actually I amassed some information and the information is that this fair is called Mahakauthik Fair. Mahakauthik. It is a Gadwali term, Mahakauthik. The thing is that people who belong to Uttarakhand and who have been living in Noida NCR for a long time have come here, they have flocked here to rejoice their heritage and culture. So this fair shows the culture of Uttarakhand. So all the people they are from Kumaon region, from Uttarakhand, they have come here to enjoy. So this fair displays the heritage and culture of Uttarakhand. You can see some dance programs, you can see that there are various stalls here, people are selling something, and you can see, you can enjoy the music of Uttarakhand. So this is what I have come to know. So now I am going to enjoy the fair. I'll go to some stalls and let's see what I come across, what I do. So stay connected guys. Thank you. So guys, I have come to a particular stall and this is called Fire Pan Stall. As you can see, Fire Pan Stall. So this is the pan and he is going to set it on fire and after that it will be put into my mouth. It is going to be very amazing experience everyone. So I am going to try Fire Pan. कितने का भैया Fire Pan? 50. He's saying 50 rupees each pan, as you can see. Okay, and he's going to put into my mouth. So he's going to put into my mouth. So he's going to put into my mouth. Amazing experience guys. Fire pan, mind blowing, burning pan went into my mouth. It was amazing experience. Earlier I felt as if I am going to get scared of it, but I am not scared. It is very very good experience. Very first time I have taken this experience. I am not able to speak out.
आइए फायर पान स्मोक पान
So guys, actually there are various stalls of various things of Uttarakhand. You can get, like cap, the traditional cap of Uttarakhand. A lot of dresses are there. I can show you the variety of things out here. As if I go to one particular shop, I can show you the cap which is quite famous in Uttarakhand. The traditional cap of Uttarakhand is right here. And here is the cap. As you can see, the cap here. So this is the traditional cap. So a lot of things are available. These things are the part of Uttarakhand. So coming to this fair, you can buy such things and enjoy. कितने का बताया भाई?
Sir, 150.
150. So he's saying the price of one cap is 150. Superb, huh? Such a beautiful cap, as you can see, guys.
Sir, ये 400.
400. Okay. And this is 400 rupees cap. ये बिल्कुल ट्रेडिशनल है, उत्तराखंड में चलता है. Okay. So there are variety of things out here, but this fair is going to end today only. It was held on 24th, so 24th, 25th, and this is 26th of December. So today this fair will end. So I can show you through the back camera. Enjoy this, guys. So guys, I have come to an eatery. You can see the stall behind me. So here it is written Uttarakhandi Pahadi Bhoj. So I have never ever had such Pahadi Bhoj. So I would like to taste it. So I'm going to show you this. See guys, you can see here. See. See. Here it is written Uttarakhandi Pahadi Bhoj. So I'm going to try this. सर ये पहाड़ी भोज में क्या क्या होता है? ये जो लिस्ट है. So guys, you can see here the list over here. These are the items you can get in पहाड़ी भोज. टोकन यहाँ से लेना? ठीक है. So I'm going to try this pahadi bhoj. After that, I'll let you know the taste of it, guys. Stay connected. Thank you. So guys, for this pahadi bhoj, I have paid 150 rupees. Now I am going to give this to here. The people are serving out here. So this is, guys, pahadi bhoj, as you can see this. See guys. So these are the items going to be served. अच्छा, बिच्छू घास. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. अच्छा, उड़द की दाल है ये. Okay. अच्छा 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 अच्छा. ओके ओके. मुझे उड़द लगा पहले, उड़द नहीं. अच्छा अच्छा. ओके.
हमें भी ऐसे थाल लगा दे दो.
टोकन ले लीजिए.
ओके.
ये जो पहाड़ की हरी दाल ना होती है ना,
ओके.
हरी बोले साबुत दाल.
साबुत दाल. ओके.
साबुत दाल का
ओके.
दाल है, साबुत दाल.
ओके ओके. सो नाइस, सो नाइस. थैंक यू, थैंक यू. ओके, रख दीजिए. फाइन, थैंक यू वेरी मच. So guys, as you can see, this is Pahadi Bhoj. It looks very attractive. I'm going to try it. ठीक है, thank you sir. Okay. So I'm going to try this food. I will keep it somewhere. I'm just going to put it here. fine, guys. So. Different choice. This is absolutely different. If I talk about this item, this is very different. I haven't had this ever. Otherwise, it has the common taste. It has also common taste like palak paneer type of taste, but it has very different taste. And you can see this rice, and this is chapati. So I'm going to enjoy the food, guys. Stay connected. Thank you. Now guys, I have to go back to my home, so I'm going to buy something for Akshat. And here there is a toy. I'm going to buy some toy. भैया, एक इधर भी दे देना ये. So guys, I'm going to buy this stuff for Akshat. He would be quite happy receiving this. Okay, ऐसे लाइट जलती है इसमें? ये वाह.
यहाँ फंसाते हैं यहाँ. अरे ये हो जाएगा, लाइट को जला लो. कैसे करते हैं? ये देखो यहाँ फंसाए.
Okay, okay. Oh, वाह. Super. ठीक है भैया, दे दो ये. So guys, I have bought this for Akshat and I have to pay 30 rupees for this. So I'm going to pay. Akshat would be quite happy receiving this. Akshat, this is for you. So guys, now I have come out of the Noida Stadium and I had a great fun over there. First time I came to know about such a great fair. I really had a great fun. I came to know about the heritage and culture of Uttarakhand and about their dresses, about their cuisines. I had a great fun. So thank you very much everybody. Stay connected. I am heading towards my house. It is going to rain. It is already drizzling. So see you in another episode. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and hit the like button. I have to say again and again. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye-bye.